many BJP leaders are saying DK Shivakumar and Ravi Kanika using the language is not right language, nut and bolt, tightening them, warning them. They're saying they're threatening.
Okay, we may not be right, we may not be polished. We may not be polished. They call me Bande, rock. Am I rock? Kallu Prakruti, Kadadare Akruti, Pujisare Samskriti. So am I rock? They call in a different language. Do I look like a rock? Huh? You tell me, they call me a rock. All you also call me like a rock. Media also call me like a rock. They also tell, Bande. It is our language, we use it. So let me rectify it. I am not a God. If I have done anything wrong, okay, I will rectify. Nothing is there. But I am telling for the best interest of I am also from the chamber, from the industry. They should know that I named a theatre and the name of Indira Gandhi.
But saying
I also hold 23 screens in Bangalore.
yeah.
I have interest in this industry. They should all safeguard the industry. We have done an international film festival at Bangalore. And next year, I am aiming to do a IFA award. Already I have discussed. I had 2 rounds of meeting to do a IFA award. Already a team came and we have discussed in Bangalore. And recently when I went to Abu Dhabi, I have discussed there also. So we want to see that now the sandalwood has grown a little bit higher than Bollywood. It is reaching the standard of Hollywood. I should thank some of the few for cinemas which has come up. So I want them to carry and take it forward for the next legacy. That is my intention.
But to say teach them a lesson, we will teach them a lesson.
Let them also do whatever they want.
देखिए कलाकार जो हैं, कलाकारों का जो हमारे शास्त्रों में आप देख लीजिए, चाहे वो इंद्र हों या चाहे अर्जुन हों, उन्होंने भी कला की विद्या ली थी। तो कलाकारों के साथ हमेशा ईश्वर होते हैं। कलाकारों की जो है वो देवी सरस्वती होती हैं, देवी होती हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कोई किसी का स्क्रू अगर ढीला और टाइट करने के चक्कर में होगा तो आपको पता है कि उनकी रक्षा के लिए भी विष्णु का भी जन्म होता है, तो कोई ना कोई हमें बचाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है।
See, that is showing the Gunda mindset of the MLAs here. I mean, the Congress MLA who has spoken like that is a very wrong thing. Everybody has their freedom to go and choose their timetable, and they'll have their commitments. Sometimes they can come, sometimes they can't come, as if their chief minister and the deputy chief minister and the ministers come to all the programs. Even they can't come to many important programs. They also don't come because they have other engagements. So you can't talk like that about a person. Every person has a personal freedom to do what they want, go where they want. And you can't threaten them like that. That's a very sad thing. An elected representative of the people is threatening the artist like that will tighten the screws or bolts and all these things. That's a very sad thing.
As a responsible government, this kind of threatening statement by the people in position and power is not fair, is not the right thing to be done by the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. Straight away threatening. We know how to tighten your bolt and nuts. What do you mean by that? This kind of threatening statement is not fair, not advisable, and this is not the way for any government to function. We totally condemn the statement given by the Deputy Chief Minister of Congress government in the state of Karnataka, ill-treating the actors and the film industry, Kannada film industry, asking them to be the part of Congress campaign or Congress agenda. What kind of mindset this Congress government is having, or the Deputy Chief Minister mindset, can be clearly understood. They are trying to threaten, and more so, this has been reiterated by their party MLAs, party leaders. It is really a condemnable approach.